In Kerala's Idukki district, there are efforts being made to clear the roads hit by landslides. The army and NDRF teams will review the situation today in major tourist places. No survivors have been found yet. Rain and landslides have claimed 14 lives in the Idukki district alone. In various districts of Kerala, several smaller dams have been opened up to deal with the rising levels of rivers flowing through the state. There's also a forecast of heavy rain in Kerala. Here's a report from the ground in Idukki.
Nearly 60 men in uniform are working their way down to this deep gorge to rescue possible survivors and recover bodies. In Kerala, an additional force of almost 350 men have been deployed to speed up these operations. Chirapara in Idukki district is famous for its waterfalls. This road used to be bustling with small shops and tourists, but it's a sad tale of destruction after the massive landslide with over 14 lives lost. Over 150 men in uniform have been skillfully aiding in relief and rescue operations in this place. However, no survivors have been found, and with passing hours, chances seem bleak.
I spoke to the DC, and thereafter my boys, they started the work, followed by NDRF also in concert. Now we are carrying out this rescue operations. There are a lot of vehicles which have fallen down. We are using our heavier vehicles to pull these vehicles up from these areas, and let's see if we find any survivors.
It's just not about the landslides. The flood in Kerala have added to the problems. The submerged famous Shiva temple in Aluva was meant to be the center of rituals today. The Navy has evacuated more than 200 people in the flood-hit areas of central Kerala.
These are rescue operations which are being carried out in extremely rough terrain. What they're saying, what the officials are saying is they don't really know how many more days would it take to ensure that they have covered this entire area. There are still many people who are missing, and what is also being said is because of this incessant rain, the entire relief and rescue operations is getting even more tough. With camera person SP Babu, Sneha Koshi for NDTV.